Good morning, Omar Johansson here with Incredible Trailers. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a boat trailer, an incredible boat trailer, to an F-150 Raptor tow vehicle. First and foremost, you want to back your tow vehicle or your truck so that you line up the ball with the nose of the trailer. We have an additional video about backing up a tow vehicle. Please see it. As you can see, my trailer is higher than the ball so that I can get it underneath there. My other thing that I have to remember, this trailer wants to come forward because of the incline here. I have a chock underneath my wheel. We cannot forget that that's there, but let's get the trailer connected first. I'm going to lower the nose of the trailer down onto the ball. My lifting mechanism here, I want to make sure that it's in the complete up position, and do it now because countless people will forget about this last little part and then they pull out and they're dragging either their wheel or this pad as they're towing the vehicle. I now have all the weight onto my 2 5/16 ball. I'm going to engage the shoe. The shoe is actually underneath the ball and prevents the nose of the trailer from lifting up. This lever engages the shoe. This is so important that we have a pin that prevents this lever from raising, therefore that shoe is permanently engaged. Next, FDOT requires 2 safety cables in case this comes disconnected. 1, 2. Next, trailer lights. I have the standard 6-pin. My truck already has this pin available. I connect it. I now have trailer lights that will mimic the signals on my tow vehicle. Lastly, I have an emergency braking system. If this were to all come disconnected, this cable would be the last thing connected. It will force this lever to come forward, and when it does that, it locks up the brakes on the trailer. So we take this cable, we need to run it independently through this loop and connect it back to itself and the cable. If you have any questions about properly connecting a trailer to a tow vehicle, please contact us at incredibletrailers.com.